Did you know that right after the dinosaurs vanished, a gigantic bird with a terrifying beak completely ruled the dense prehistoric forests? Roaming the Eocene jungles 50 million years ago, Gastornis was an overwhelming giant standing over 6 feet tall, completely dwarfing early mammals. Its most defining feature was a massive beak taking up half its face. For decades, scientists believed it was a ruthless apex predator hunting small animals. However, its true ecology reveals a stunning twist. Instead of tearing flesh, this immense beak functioned as a powerful biological nutcracker, crushing incredibly hard seeds. Although completely flightless with reduced wings, it utilized thick, profoundly muscular legs to navigate the dense, warm tropical forests in search of its plant-based diet. Despite their peaceful herbivorous nature, their colossal size and bone-crushing defensive kicks meant no ancient predator dared to provoke these towering avian giants. Nesting directly on the forest floor, the fierce mothers used their massive, intimidating presence to shield their vulnerable chicks from every lurking prehistoric threat. Filling the ecological void left by dinosaurs, the magnificent and peaceful Gastornis stands as one of the greatest and most fascinating wonders of the early Cenozoic era.